We live in like a small farm, an acre. We've got lots of animals, it's beautiful. So we were looking for somewhere where we could enjoy the outside area that we live in. We wanted some kind of like garden room rather than an extension really. Looking initially at other companies, the prices that they were giving were just astronomical. In fact, my husband said you could buy a small terraced house for the price we were quoted on one. We decided to go with conservatory land because of the price and also the unique design that they had for us. And I love the fact that conservatory land has an online system where you could put a quote in, so it gave me time to process, look at kind of what they offered, and then we decided that, yeah, we really wanted to go with conservatory land. We decided to go with the approved installer because you could really tell that he had our best interests at heart. He understood exactly what we wanted. He was on site early to ensure that he was there ready for the delivery from conservatory land. Really friendly team, no mess, no clutter. Like I say, we've got quite a few animals, so really careful around the animals as well. From start to finish, very clean, very tidy, very professional. It's changed the way we live. We come home, we're all in the conservatory plus the animals. You know, we've had quite a few little social gatherings in there. I would recommend conservatory land 100%. They have been absolutely one of the best companies that I've ever dealt with really in regards to communication, customer service. Just really, really easy process to go through. We just love the fact now that we can enjoy the space outside, which is why we bought the house in the first place, with no threat of the British weather.